Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Today we will tell you news about AMP coin cryptocurrency. CryptoCouple's victory against the IRS comes at the cost of regulatory clarity. In May 2021, a Tennessee couple, Joshua Jarrett and Jessica Jarrett, jurors, filed a complaint with the IRS arguing that Tezos staking rewards they earned should not be taxed at the time of receipt. The couple requested a tax refund of $3,793 by filing an amended tax return. In December 2021, the U.S. Department of Justice directed the IRS to issue the full refund. The jurors refused to accept the refund because the IRS didn't acknowledge the true reasoning for issuing the refund. This reasoning was essential to create a precedent for other stakers and protect himself from IRS scrutiny in the future. The jurors decided to take this to the court to get a formal court ruling. In a motion to dismiss dated February 28, 2022, the U.S. Department of Justice dismissed the jurors' attempt to take the case to the court because the case lacks merit. On July 31, 2020, the couple filed an amended tax return, arguing that $9,407 staking income shouldn't have been income in the first place. The amended return demanded a $3,793 tax refund from the IRS. The couple didn't receive a timely response from the IRS. In a complaint dated May 21, 2021, the couple argued that newly created property is taxed of the world later in the future. Next news, EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the global financial system. The move came days after Russian military forces launched attacks on various cities and military bases in Ukraine, including in the nation's capital Kiev. Italy, Hungary and Cyprus were initially opposed to the move, but expressed support for it on Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, Germany is in favor of targeted and functional restrictions on Russia. The European Commission formalized this support later Saturday in a public statement attributed to the EC, France, Germany, Italy, UK, Canada and US. We commit to ensuring that selected Russian banks are removed from the SWIFT messaging system. This will ensure that these banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally, the statement said. The EC also committed to blocking the Russian central bank from using its international reserves and preventing Russian oligarchs from buying passports in other nations to re-enter the global financial system. Officials and investors can now earn income through staking, a process whereby an individual earns passive income in addition to their token price gain. As a whole, the rise of global token networks has fostered a spectrum of innovative projects with features specific to spending utility, low volatility protocols, pegged assets and synthetic commodities. The benefit of AMP is that the protocol provides a completely autonomous collateralization system. Typically, collateralization means that users are dependent on a third party. However, AMP removes this requirement by offering a decentralized digital alternative. Another major plus is that the AMP network provides real-time finality assurance, which gives a boost to the token. A drawback of cryptocurrency payments can be the time that transactions take to be completed at point of sale. What is especially unique about the AMP network is that users can collateralize their assets instantly. This makes the protocol both scalable and suitable for the needs of a growing digital economy. Not to mention that AMP users enjoy a high level of interoperability. As of June last year, the protocol supported over 25 digital assets. Risks ahead for AMP. Cryptocurrency markets have been subject to high volatility, driven in. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin. But before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for